Everyone asks the same question. 3.33% a day? That sounds huge. How is that even possible? Where does the money come from? If you're looking at Crypto Fortune and wondering if the math works, you are in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how this engine runs and why Team Future is Bright 777 is the community you want to be building with. First, let's clear up a misconception. This isn't traditional trading where you're waiting for a stock to go up or down. Crypto Fortune operates on the principle of money rotation, managed by an immutable smart contract model, and users are rewarded for their participation in this protocol. Think of it as a community-driven liquidity engine or a supply and demand concept. The demand is to 2x your deposit in 30 days. The supply is in the global community from different time zones around the whole world. One reason why the world is round. The 3.33% daily return isn't magic, it's math. It is generated through the consistent flow of new liquidity entering the contract and the recommitment of existing members. It's a system of money rotation. When we all participate, when we compound or redeposit our rewards and bring in new energy by sharing this concept with others also in need, the smart contract distributes that value back to the community at a fixed rate of 3.33% every single day. This is where the patience pays off. The eighth wonder of the world. It's not just about hitting a button, it's about strategy. By compounding that 3.33%, you aren't just taking slices of the pie, you are growing the whole pie. We teach our team exactly when to reinvest and when to withdraw to maximize that 30-day cycle, and to be a responsible steward of your deposit. We are building something massive with Team Future is Bright 777. We have the strategy, we have the support, and we have the momentum. If you want to understand how to leverage this smart contract properly, check the link in the description or reach out directly. Don't just watch the numbers. Come be a part of the movement. Like and subscribe for more updates on how we are growing daily. I'll see you on the inside. Financial disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor but an educator. The content in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Crypto Fortune involves a high level of risk, and you should never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.